as I said, every fifth contour is also often designated as an index contour, and the contour elevation is given on there, the elevation of that contour. So we established this as a 1,000 index contour. If I then wanted to know what the elevation of the red house is down at the bottom, I should be able to find that out by counting down the contours to there. Now, because there's definitely more than 5 contours between this greenhouse and the 1,000 index and where the red house is, I should be passing other index contours before I get there. Now, sometimes those labels of those other index contours may be way off someplace else and not easy to see, but index contours are usually shown as darker lines. So if this is 1,000 and I count down, this coming down would be 960, 920, 880, 840, and makes this contour line should be 800. All right, further down, we should go then to 760, 720, 680, 640, and this contour line should be 600. Now, if your map is nice to you, that index contour label should be right near what you are trying to figure out. But sometimes it isn't, and it's way off someplace else. Regardless, if we know this is the 600-foot index contour, and I wanted to know what the elevation of that red house is, I know that it's not as high as 600 feet, but it is above the contour below that. The contour below 600, with a 40-foot contour interval, the index below that should then be 560. So I know this red house is above 560, but below 600. How high? We can't tell precisely. We could estimate that it's about halfway between those and guess that it might be about halfway between those by elevation. But that's a guess. The only thing we know for sure is that it's above 560 but below 600.